Erwin Eibert. I'm the president of Pub Brewing Company, or PBC Manufacturing. We're one of the leading manufacturers of microbrew and pub brewing equipment. We developed the market in the late 80s, and we have produced hundreds of brewing systems, mainly in the United States. In 1991-92, we expanded into the market in the formerly Soviet Union and China and South America, mainly Brazil. Our equipment is state-of-the-art. We developed it together with the University of California in Davis, and we're producing a quality compact brewing system that is space-saving, it's operator-friendly, and has all the ingredients to produce a great product of beer, microbrewed beer.
These two heat exchangers are the cooling mechanism. People, you know, you want to give it a good environment contamination, and it's usually I just stopped heating the water. We're going to mash in this vessel. This is a combination mashing and lautering vessel. Underneath is a water storage, hot water storage. It has and here's the manifold at work with it. Once you get used to it, it's much easier than just about any other system I've worked with. It looks a little intimidating at first, but it only takes a very short time to get used to. In other breweries, to accomplish the same thing, you'd have to run to different parts of the brew house, opening and closing valves, and here it's all in one spot. I didn't choose pub brewing solely for the equipment. There's also a very strong issue of service afterwards. And the company has been very responsive to me, very responsive. And many of these companies, once the system's in, they're gone. And you're pretty much left on your own. One of the things I really like about pub is they stick with you if you need them.
and I'm the brewmaster here at the Eldorado's Brew Brothers Brewery, located in Reno, Nevada. And I'm here to tell you about how we make beer in this very successful brewery restaurant. First of all, beer is composed of 4 main ingredients. Water being the main ingredient, malted barley being the second ingredient, hops being the third ingredient, and the most important ingredient would be yeast, which is the living microorganism that we clone repeatedly, which if we do that successfully in a laboratory type of environment, in a very clean manner where we have no other invading organisms, the end result will be excellent beer, which we can then sell at a very high margin, because the cost of the other ingredients that I mentioned, water, barley, hops, and yeast, is very small. In fact, in our most expensive product that we manufacture in this brewery, our cost of goods is 6%, so our margin is very large. In our brewery, this manifold of plumbing is a sanitary stainless steel manifold which allows us, utilizing a single pump, to perform all of the operations that I discussed in the brew house. The mashing in, the bringing in of grain and liquid would occur using that pump. The boils whirlpool would occur using that pump. Pumping that now sanitary liquid through our heat exchanging device into our fermentation devices will occur through the sanitary stainless plumbing. It allows one operator using one pump without performing many plumbing operations to make those things happen simply by opening and closing valves. The sequence of valves is important and would obviously have to be obeyed. However, no hand plumbing, which is a way of introducing bacteria into the product, occurs using this type of design. There are 8 other restaurants here at the Eldorado Hotel. This restaurant, with its brewery attached, has proven to be the most financially successful restaurant year in and year out because of that margin that I discussed with you with the cost of the goods of beer versus how much we sell it for. At this bar, we sell small glasses of beer for $4 and large glasses of beer for $4.75. And what I want to impress upon you is that after this process, we're taking water and modifying it in a very simple way through a yeast organism and selling it for $4.75 all day and all night long at our bar. So that is why this restaurant is successful. Yes, we have good food, simple food, but at the end of the day, a hamburger is a hamburger. You still have to pay for the beef, you still have to pay for the bun, you still have to pay for the labor to make that hamburger, whereas in here, we are literally selling glasses of water for $4.75 a day. So in our portfolio of 8 restaurants on this property, some of them fine dining restaurants, some of them simple casual restaurants like this is the workhorse of our property and is the most financially lucrative of all the restaurants on this particular property, and has been in several of the other projects that I've worked on in my career.